everyone, welcome back to my sister's channel. Watashi donwa Samalola touch the leg. For those who don't know me, my name is Tenzin Belzum and I'm an elder sister of Watashi donwa. So today I'm going to show you a day in my life as my sister has requested me to make a vlog on that. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Hi, so I'm ready now. This is my outfit. So I'm going for a dating and a bag. So I'm going down to take a breakfast. This is our hostel mess. So today we have chapati and for the curry we have chole. Yeah, this is chole, though it is little watery. Hostel food. So I've only taken chapati. Before going to work, we have to register our name and time of leaving in this register. So I'm going to write my name. It's 7:50 right now and I have to reach in the hospital at 8 o'clock. Wow, what a beautiful morning. So our hospital provides hostel for male and female nurses. It's very convenient to reach there. It just takes 10-minute walk to reach the hospital. I almost reached my destination. Let me show you my hospital. Just a second. Okay, you can see up there Sakra Wall Hospital. I've been working here since 9 years. Okay, now our security guard is staring at my camera. Now I'm going to enter through the small gate, which is meant for people who walk into hospital, and for other vehicles like car, bikes and all, they can enter through the main gate. And we also have a separate staff entry, so you can see that 2 red door, one is for fire exit and one is for staff entry. So we go through this into B1 and enter the hospital. Now we have entered into the hospital. So before starting the duty, we have to do our biometric facial scanning for the attendants. I'm taking this lift to reach 2nd floor. This is a staff lift. Okay, I just came out of this lift. So you can see there are 2 other lifts. This is P1 and this is P2 for the patient and this is for the staff. Now I'm heading towards my changing room. Okay, all the ICU are in 2nd floor and ICU changing rooms are also in the 2nd floor. All the wards are above the 3rd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor, 5th floor is a ward and 2nd floor is ICU. This is shoe rack and you can see MICU. This one is MICU, medical ICU, and this is our changing room just opposite to that. Okay, someone has left their phone in changing room. Oh, this is Achaya's. Okay, anyway, after changing I'll give her back. Okay, so I'm ready. Just have to tie my hair and make a bun. That's all. I think in abroad people can leave their hair, but here we have to make a bun. And this is net. So first I'll go and give this mobile to that girl. This girl, she left her mobile. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going in MICU. कैसा अच्छा है? बोलो अच्छा है? This ICU. Have to give. Acha, yes, mobile. Acha, your mobile. Thank you. And again, waiting for the lift. My ICU has been shifted to 4th floor E wing as PICU construction is going on, and this is 4th E wing. You can see that the staffs are wearing pink color watch, they wear pink color dress, and this is my ICU. And we wear green scrub. Close this curtain. Good morning. Okay, it's little congested. Every morning I check my mail first to see any voice of customer, good or bad, or any information given. So this is Joy and he's ready for CSSD. So this is PICU and you can see the baby inside the cradle. So after finishing my departmental rounds, I went up to take a pediatric specialty class. I'm going to NICU to meet Sujita. Okay. Hi, good morning. Okay, I reach NICU. She's my friend Sujita and she's ordering some snacks, I guess. And I can see our pediatric consultant washing hand, Dr. Ravi Kiran there. She's Dr. Raji, the blue one, and Dr. Aishwarya. Now I'm back in my department for a tea break. Grishma, how's your duty today? Huh, Grishma? Is it cool? It's very cool, I think, today, no? Not. Tea break. Attending doctor rounds.
So when you start at floor,
These are evening shift staff. They're doing stock checking.
सर तो फोटो लेके गया जब वो दिखा
अभी खा लो, सर को बेचेंगे। ये लड्डू खा रहे सर। गुड। अच्छा है। ओके। सिस्टर को थैंक यू नहीं बोलोगे?
थैंक यू बोलो।
My duty is over. Now I'm going. Anila. Okay, now I'm going back to changing room. So this is the same route. Morning I came from this way. Now I'm going back and change my uniform. Okay, nobody's there. Being in the theater that ends in Belgium. Okay. Finished now. I'm putting it back in my bag. And mobile. Stay tuned. I'm ready to go. To throw this now. Uh-oh. Can I throw my this? Thrown. Need to do question biometric again for punch out. Oh my god, it's gonna rain. I'm in the darkness. My hospital. going to rain. It's already drizzling. I have to run fast. I almost reached my hostel. So again, I have to write my entry time in the hostel register so that they can see that I'm going to take Now I'm waiting for the lift to come down. It is in the 6th floor. Okay, I've reached 5th floor and our floor is a bit messy because painting is going on hostel. And this is my room and this is my bed.
Oh my god, it's a mess.
Now I have to take a shower. I'll just on the geyser and let me check whether it's working or not. Okay, light is on. Okay, done. So after sometimes I'll take bath and see you later. Now it's 6 o'clock and I'm feeling a bit hungry. This is my snacks bag. I'm going to make spicy noodle, but it's not exactly a spicy noodle. It's way cheaper than that. So I'm going to make that and going to have it. So I've made these noodles, broccoli soup and chips. Now I'm going to have this and till then see you later. Bye bye. Thank you everyone for watching this vlog, the glimpse of my day in a life. Okay, and first of all I would like to say sorry because I'm not able to show all the things which we are doing in a hospital because it's against our hospital rules. Hope you all understand that, and please keep supporting my sister's channel. Do share, subscribe, like, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you. So I'm gonna end this vlog over here. Take care. Bye.